Welcome to DBMS class. Now we are going to discuss about the DBMS environment or database management system environment or components or interfaces. So DBMS refers to the organization of components that regulates to collect, storage, management and use of the databases in database management system. So DBMS refers to the organization of components that regulates, collect, storage and use of the database and management of the database from the database management system. So database environment mainly having these components hardware, software and people. So first of all we'll discuss about the software hardware. So in hardware, so any physical component in database management system is called as a hardware. So examples for hardware are computers, linking devices, network linking devices, cables. So whatever the equipment used in database management system, so physically, so those equipments are called as a hardware. So next one, software. Software means programs. So programs which are used in maintaining of database management system are classified as three types. First one is operating system. So operating system manages the hardware, application programs and DBMS software. So in order to install or maintain the DBMS software, operating system is essential. So without operating system we cannot install any software. So operating system is a master control program which manages the hardware devices and application programs under DBMS software. So next one, DBMS software. So DBMS software is a programs which are used to manage the databases in system. So next, application programs and utility softwares. So application programs and utility softwares are used to access data from the database or to perform manipulations on the data. Okay, next, third component is people. So peoples are nothing but persons who are working in a database environment. So these peoples are classified based on their job role and their working nature. So first role is a system administrator. So system administrator supervises the entire system within a DBMS environment. So next, database administrator. So database administrator maintains the data in database management environment. Maintaining is nothing but creating database designs, taking backup copy of the data, restoring of the data, performance tuning, and assigning authorization controls to the user, assigning privileges to the user, and giving the permissions to the user, releasing the permissions. All the management operations can be done by using database administrator. So next, database designers. Database designers are designing the structure of the database management system. System analyst and programmers. System analyst and programmers are writing the programs regarding to access the data from the database management system. End users. So end users are nothing but users, so who are accessing the data from the database by using application programs. So next, to procedures. So procedures are nothing but standards and standards that governs the designing of a database management system. So data is nothing but collection of raw facts. So these facts are stored in the form of alphabets and digits in database management system. So next, observe this diagram. So in this diagram, first system administrator supervises the entire system, and the database administrator writes the procedures and standards within a database management system. That is, integrity constants are defined and the rules are defined by the database administrator, and by using these procedures and standards, so the analysts and programmers are writing the application programs, and these application programs are used by the end users so regarding to access the data from the database system management environment. So here database designers are designing the database. So all this DBMS and DBMS software is maintained within a system in hardware. So this is regarding environment of the database management system.